Welcome to our new manufacturing facility in Hegins, Pennsylvania. This 60,000 square foot operation is capable of drying and granulating up to 260 million pounds of organic fertilizer per year. Let's take a look inside. We begin with local, sustainably sourced raw materials, all delivered by bulk trucks and stored on site. A front end loader transfers the material into our dual feeders to start the process. From there, the material enters a hammer mill, breaking it down into smaller sizes so our rotary dryer can heat it up to 1,000 degrees. This eliminates any pathogens and reduces moisture to about 15%. Next, the material is screened and sized again if needed before entering the pin mixer. Any additional dry ingredients can be introduced through a mixing line and combined in the pin mixer, along with a carefully balanced blend of water and binder to start forming the granules. The pan granulator continues to shape the material into small round prills. The pan's angle and rotation speed are fine-tuned to control the proper size and quality. Then the fluid bed dryer removes any excess moisture and cures the granules to the perfect hardness. The result? A beautiful, durable, virtually dust-free fertilizer ready to help plants thrive. Another screening step separates the granules by size, sending larger and smaller prills to separate silos. From there, the material is either packaged into totes or stored in external silos until it's ready to be loaded into trucks.